By the end of this lesson, you will learn how you can create the tile effect in Unreal Engine using motion design template. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, welcome to the lesson. First thing first, I am using Unreal Engine 5.6, and you can use any version from 5.4 to onward 5.7. And then after creating the project, I just create a project and name it MD fundamentals, meaning motion design fundamentals. Then also just in content browser, just content browser, I create a new folder name flip tiles, and we will put all the meshes and materials in this folder. Then before we continuing, just go to the edit, and from plugin we just turn on some plugin. Just search for Niagara, and from here you can just turn on the Chaos Niagara, cloners and effect, and also the Niagara fluid and Niagara sim caching. Another, just search for motion design and also turn this motion design. And next that I want to turn on is modeling. So just motion modeling tools editor enable. If you are enabling the first time, you can, it asks you for restart the Unreal Engine, so just turn on just restart the engine. After this we have to add open some new tabs, motion designer outliner and operations tag. Where you can find it, just go to window and motion designer outliner. From here you can just click on this and it will just now it is fade. The reason is that our we are not in motion design. And you can also found the operations tag. Just go to here. From here just you click, and you can just move them along and adjust as you want. Now we are going to create our project flip tiles. So first we have to create a tile and just click on the motion design. So we enter in motion design, and you can see we just if you go to window, and from here you can see it is now enabled. Before it was the gray out. Just from here, just go to the 2D shapes and just create a rectangle. Hold down the shift key and just create a perfect rectangle, and just you can name, make the tile size 200 by 200. Now just select this one and just go to detail, and from here just change its location to the 00, and also its rotation to 00, and just bring it to upward. Now we just want to just little bit bevel to make its corners smooth. So here you can see our corners. So what we are to do, and here you can see our camera. So just switch to the perspective to the default viewport, so we can just freely move around. Now just select this one, and from here just go to the downward and change the bevel size to I think 5. And from here you can see our edges are, our corners are smooth now. And if I just want to increase more, just click 10. Perfect. Now just go to the operations tag tab, and from here just add a modifier. Just name it extrude, and extrude. Now just select this and make sure that your, when you apply the modifier, your rectangle is selected, and you can adjust the value from here. So I think 15 is perfect for me. And if you want to increase the subdivisions, here you can see. So from for this, just go to select the rectangle and just go to the detail tab, and from here you can increase. So I think 16 is okay for me. Perfect. Now next thing what we want to do, we want to convert this object to static mesh. Just go to down, and from here you can found the option, just make it static mesh. Just go to the, you can also search for the just turn this on, select and just select the mesh, and just create a mesh. Click on this and just save it to the flip tiles, and I would call it SM static mesh, SM uh, tile, and just save it. Now if we go to content browser, you can see our and just bring it up here, and just bring it up here, and now just select this and turn this hide this mesh, so you can't be get confused. Now select this mesh, and we want to apply some materials. So go to the flip folder, and just from here create a new folder, name it materials. And if you just want to create a new folder, name it meshes. So in future you can just drag this and move here and open the material, and now we create materials. We will create 4 materials, name it M1, and just copy. You can copy, or you can also create new materials. So underscore M2, and from here also create M3, and also create uh, M4. Perfect. Now just double click and open this material, and just from here select the base color. So I have already write some code, so just uh, you can just from here, I also provide the code in description, so just press OK and change its value to 0.8 and just save it. Now just close it, double click. Perfect. Now we have created the materials. Now what we want to do, we want to apply the material. So we want to apply two material on this tile, and by default when we apply a material, a single mesh, the whole material is apply on the complete mesh. So for this what we want to do, we want to apply one material is here and one material is here. So for this what we have to do, just go to the modeling section, and from here just go to the attribute, and make sure your SM tile is selected, and just go to attribute, and from attribute just click on the edit material, and from here you can see the material section. We have one material, just create a new material and just drag material 1 here and material 2 here. So here you can see our active material is M1. So what we want to do, we want to apply second material on this side, and when our tile is flip, this material will from bottom to goes to upside. So for this just make sure brush size is 0.05. You can increase the size, and just hold on control and just click on these sides. Just make sure select, and also just make sure you can select the corners. Hold on control, just and hold on control, and also turn around that you did not accidentally select the other side. So there would be perfect. Now what we want to do, make sure you have changed the active material to the M2, this one, and just go to the assign active material, so you can see our material is applied, and just go to the accept. So what happened, yes, you can see our material is applied. Perfect. Now what we want to do, just make sure it is in, just it is in the center. And now what we want to do, just we want to do that when our material, when we flip our tile, just like this, just from here 90-degree, when our tile start flipping, uh, this color will this color will go from uh, bottom to upside, just like this. When we flip the tile just like this. So control Z to step back. Now what we are going to do, just go to the motion design template and just select this one. Make sure your tile is selected. Before we are going to do, just go to cloner and just select the grid and add a grid cloner, and make sure select the cloner and change its position to default. That's mean origin. And from here, now make the tile child of cloner, just from here, just like this. Just make the child of cloner, and now just go to the default cube, just delete it, select this and delete this, just delete this. And here you can see, just if I put this cloner to up, we can see different tile, 3 different tiles. It also contain the XY tiles, but those are merged together. So for this, make sure your cloner is selected and just go to downward, change the Z count to 0, and if we increase the distance, we can see, so I think 200. Perfect, just 200. Perfect. Now what we want to do, we want to increase the number of counts. You can increase the counts to 25 to 25. Perfect. And also we want to decrease the size to make these two just like a diamond like structure. So for this we have to bring the tile closer, just I think 190 and also 190. Perfect. I think it is good. Okay, now what we want to do, just make sure cloner is selected, and if you go to scroll down and create a linked effector, and our effector is created. So our effector is created, but if we just move it around, we did not see any effect. So what effector do, it will affect the tile, and make sure the offset is 0, and it will affect the rotation. That's mean if we want to rotate our tile, and it's mean uh, y-axis. So if we just change the value to, that is 10 to 90 and then 180. So if I just put 180, you can see the tile is flipped. And if we just select the cloner and increase its scale, you can see our tiles are rotating, flipping. Perfect, just like here. Now what we want to do, we want to apply the texture image or any image you want to apply. So what I am going to do, just drag a image, which just bring the image texture here, and also just create a new material and name it m underscore texture align. And if I just double click on this material, and from here, before just go to the select the our tile and just apply this material. Yes, here, just go to the tile, and if I want to apply this material to this one, so it is say the flag required material. So how we can correct it, just open this material and just search for the Niagara, and turn on the Niagara with mesh particles and just save it. Now what we want to do, we want to apply this texture image. So for this just right click, and if I just search for texture object, so here you can see we did not get this image. So for how we can get this, just delete this, make sure select this, and now right click and texture object. So just bring this, and from here just search for the word align normal and just insert this node to here. So you can see, just save this one, and here you can see if this material is not work, so how you can change is just drag this one and after that change. So you can see our image is applied now. So here just double click, and from here you can also change its roughness to 0.8. And what we are doing, we are going to next just go to the right click and search for scalar parameter, and just attach this node to the texture size. And if I just change the value to 500, and if I just press save, go to the you can just bring it up here, and just from here you can see the size of our texture is increased. So just select the effector and bring it to the center, just bring it to the center, just bring it to the center. And also you can increase its size. I just increase size to 100,000 and just save it. And if I just go to here, yes, perfect. I think it is much better. Yes, just bring it to the here, and from here you can see. And if also I want to just go to cloner and increase the grid size to 40 into 40, I think this is good. Just bring it to just select the effector, sorry. And if you just want to increase its scale, you can just bring it to here. Perfect. Now what we are going to do, we want to add some random colors. So for this, just select the SM tile, Control C, then V, press 2 times and select this tile, and we want to apply these color to these one. And just from here just go to the select SM tile 3 and apply this color, and also select this tile and apply this color. And you can see these the tiles. Now if I just select the effector, so when we flip we can see the tile. So if I just select the effector, and if I just want to increase the, you can see. And make sure in cloner, if you go to cloner and just go to the, if you see the lines are not random, so for this what you have to do, you have to do go to mesh renderer, and from here you can just change to the random. So you can see the tiles are random. And if I just now if I just select this one and move the effector, you can see, just select and we have make a mistake. We do not want to apply the color here, we want to apply here, not here, just here. Here we have to apply the texture. And also select the style 3, just apply, and just apply the tile. One thing that I want to show you, just make sure select the effector, just select this one, and you can see one thing. If you want to uh, make the texture on each tile, so for this what you have to do, just go to your texture line, just from here, and just from here make sure that your texture, this one is selected. Yeah, from here, just hold down T and right click, just hold on T and click. So our texture sample is here. Just from here select this one, and if you just save the image, you can see we can see the tile on each. We can see the texture on each tile. So I hope you have learned how you can flip the tiles in Unreal Engine. So if you like the video, please subscribe, share, and comment on this what you want to see in future. See you in future.